Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and close-up tutorial on the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. This is very brand new and it's one of the newest pencils I've tried. I love pencils, and this is a swatch of the black brown shade that I chose in particular, and we're going to start with the tutorial. It does retail for $20 for 0.024 ounces of product. Doesn't seem like much, but I've personally used it for like 20 times and it's still not gone. So I personally like to use pencils, especially on an everyday basis. It's just super easy. I like to start from the bottom and shape the angle from the inner bottom part of the brow straight to the angle, then just kind of angled straight to the tail of the brow. And then I kind of mirror the same shape on the top. And as you can see, black brown is kind of like a natural shade to my thin, non-existent hairs, but you can also see that I have a thick area in my brows and I have a very thin kind of bald areas in my brow that I need to fill in. And that's what I love about pencils, is that it kind of still gives the illusion of natural hairs, but also shades it in. Not too bold, not too crazy, but there are 14 shades to choose from. It is a matte finish, and it is also a smudge resistant, waterproof, and long-lasting pencil. Also, this paddle brush, it's really easy to erase mistakes that you've done, and it also is very good at blending. So after I create the shape, I fill it in, and usually I'll go more and build it up in the bald areas, which in my case are the front area and the kind of top of the brow bone area, and right in the middle of the eyebrow is the most kind of bald area I have. And I usually pluck that anyways because it just grows in weird directions. So that is the case with my brows. And I do like the paddle brush that it's made with. This product is also cruelty free, and I've already finished both my brows, and this is what it looks like. This is my end result of using the black brown MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil by Fenty Beauty, and I absolutely love it. It is definitely one of the top 3 actually brow pencils I've ever tried. It's such a great new product, and I do recommend it. This shade especially, I think it's perfect, especially if you don't want to go too dark, but you don't want to go too light. I think it's super beautiful. I definitely want to purchase it in the future. I personally purchased mine from Sephora, but that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.